Welcome to your home sweet home. I am so excited to show you this awesome property. You're already seeing how gorgeous this is. This is not going to be on the market very long. We've got a beautiful coffered ceiling here in the living room, formal dining room. We've got the adjustable air vents you can see there, the circular vents there at the ceiling. This is the office with a nice ceiling fan, beautiful wood flooring here in the formal areas. To the left side is your master suite, and one of the things you're going to notice is we've got the recessed sliders in 3 different places in this house. So everything opens right up to the pool, the beautiful pool in the back. Nice tray ceiling here in the master. 2 great walk-in closets. Look at that. Lots of space. Security system. There's attic access in that closet there. Look at this master ensuite bath. So 2 sinks, a huge walk-in shower, jetted tub, and of course the private water closet. And you can see this house is vacant, so this one's ready for you to purchase and just bring your U-Haul and your luggage and move right in. So very open concept, solar tubes in a couple of different places, and if I turn these lights off, you're not even going to realize it because these solar tubes are so bright. So energy efficiency, not only that, but the double pane tilt windows, easy to clean, and double pane, so they're efficient for you. But look at the space in this kitchen, and I want to show you every single one of these cabinets has pull-out drawers. So that would be a lifesaver in my kitchen. I crawl into my corner cabinet and sometimes I get lost in there. So nice pantry, lots of storage shelves in the pantry, little coffee bar area to the side of the kitchen. As you can see, wood cabinets. Look at this laundry room. Wow. We have storage galore in this house. It's almost 3,000 square feet. It's packed full of storage. Here's your laundry tub, and washer and dryer hides behind a closet in the laundry room, so it is not visible to people. That is a really great concept there, because I don't know about you, but I don't think that's very attractive to see the laundry machines. Here's the powder room, and of course, let's just take a quick peek. The 3-car garage. 3-car garage with side door and extra space there to the side. Obviously, we've got the air handler mounted up to the ceiling. Comes with an extra fridge, brand new water heater, also energy efficient, and smart wired, the water heater, so yay. Great room with the tray ceiling again. Recessed sliders out to the pool. We'll get there in a minute. We have guest bedrooms, 2 guest bedrooms, both with walk-in closets, both with ceiling fans. Nothing you need to do at this house. You just bring your things and you move in. We've got sliders on this guest bedroom, number 3, that go out to the pool. You can see that beautiful pool out there. You're probably noticing that the flooring in the house is either vinyl, wood, or tile. There's a couple of rooms that have carpet, but other than that, the flooring is the hard floors that are easy to take care of. So let's just step on out to the pool now. Huge covered area. Plumbing is in place if you want to install an outdoor kitchen. You are all set. You've got a pass-through window so that when you are entertaining, life is going to be easy. You are just going to pass those drinks through to your guests. Everyone's hanging out here. We've got a waterfall in the pool. I mean, this is the life right here. I love that this house has the country style that it has. You don't find that in a lot of our homes in this area. So that's a really fun thing. So we've got a really great little shower head set up there. So when you're out playing in the yard or splashing in the pool and you need to, you need to rinse off, you're all set. And comes with the playground. Got your swing sets for the kids. This part of the yard is fenced in. So if you have pets as well, you're all set there. And this is an acre lot. So I do want to walk you back, and I'll tell you a little bit about the community while we do that, but I want to show you the property as we go back on the acreage. So it is a 1 acre lot, like I said, partially landscaped. We've even got some planting set up over there if you want to do some of your own gardening, herb gardening, things like that. But the property goes back into the woods, so you've got some good privacy. And in Pine Ridge, we are a golf and equestrian community. So what that means is this particular property is not in the horse section, but we do have a community center that has a full facility with riding arenas. There's instructors that can give horseback riding lessons that are approved in the community, and just some really neat activities that you can do. The community center has multiple tennis courts. We've got a dog park. I mean, you name it pretty much, and you've got it here. And if we don't have it here, we have an abundance of things just at a very quick drive. So YMCA is right down the street, and shopping, grocery shopping is right around the corner. And we're very close proximity to Ocala and also to the entertainment of Tampa and Orlando, of course. So we just had an expansion to our toll road, which has brought the toll road closer to this property and creates a much quicker commute to get to Tampa for the airport and for the attractions and things that you want to go to in Tampa. So it's about an hour drive now to shoot down to Tampa. So there you are. This is our newest listing, and this is quite the property, and I hope that you've been able to see that with this tour. And if you'd like to know more about this property, if you'd like any more information, if you want to just submit your offer, give us a call. We're RES Luxury Group, white glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name. We're not the same. You can call us at 352-794-1426. Have a great day.